Hi friends, welcome back to our tutorials. This is JavaScript interview question and answer series. Today's question is, what is the purpose of this operator in JavaScript? The moment your interviewer will ask you related to this operator, he is trying to get towards ES6, he is trying to get towards classes objects, he is trying to get towards inheritance concepts. The idea is to get aligned with what could be the next possible questions also, right? So remember friends, not only answering question but aligning, and the way you answer will set the tone for the next questions. I'll show you that with an example. So let's answer this first. What is the purpose of this operator in JavaScript? The this operator refers to the object it belongs to, right? Now this has different values depending upon where it is used. In a method, this refers to the owner object, and in a function it refers to a global object, right? So let's see this and with an example, and this is how you should also explain it when the interviewer will ask you about this. So let's open this now. What I'm going to do here is, first I'm going to define a variable, right? Say var, let's say tax equal to 10, right? This is how it's a outside, right? So instead what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a class, and right, and here you can say f1, that's a function, right? I have another function f2, right? So this will just print and say this is function 1, right? Now this is function number 2, right? Simple. It's a class which has two methods, f1 and f2. So now what we'll do is, using this operator, I'm going to call f1. That means I'm referencing to this particular method using this operator. Now let's define a variable. I'm going to say tax equal to 10, and inside this I'm going to say console.log, right? Tax is, right, this dot tax. So you see, I am referring to the variables, I am referring to the methods inside. This is the this operator, right? So basically this operator will help you to refer to its own methods and variables, right? And when you give an example, give some proper one, like for example calculate tax, right? And call this here calculate tax, and then when you're here you say read credentials, etc., right? The idea is to make it looks clear, okay, and make it look good. So that's how you refer to this operator. That means it can be used to refer its own variables and methods which are inside that particular class, right? Or it's inside an object also, it can be referred to its own, right? I hope it's clear. I hope now you will be able to answer and explain the this operator better in your next interview. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, stay tuned. Thank you so much.